In this video, we'll cover web app commissioning and on-site provisioning. The URL for the Fulham web app can be found at eliteblue.fulham.com. If you do not have login information, you will need to create an account. Once you've verified your account, you will log in using your account information. Now we'll create a project. Here, you'll enter your project name. Now we'll enter our project and create a floor. Here, you can name the floor, then select an image for the floor plan. Now we'll enter our first floor. Here, we get to add and configure the zones for this floor plan. We'll right-click on Office 304. We'll add a zone and select the type of control scenario we wish to use in this zone. We have a switch, occupancy, vacancy, occupancy with daylight harvesting, and vacancy with daylight harvesting predefined, as well as being able to create new custom scenarios. I'll select occupancy with daylight harvesting. You can also rename the zone. By right-clicking, choose Edit, and assign a name for this zone. We can also create additional zones with different control scenarios. Once we pre-commission the floor, we can move to on-site provisioning. First, you'll need to download and install the Fulham app. Go to the App Store, search Fulham, and download the Fulham eliteBlue app. Once installed, launch the app and log in using the same credentials you use for the web app. Once logged in, the projects we pre-commission will appear. Now we'll provision Office 304. Click on Office 304. Now we'll add devices to this zone. Click on the bottom right plus symbol. A list of available devices is shown. You can filter out the devices by signal strength by using the slider bar below. Now we'll add the first device. At this stage, the device will flash to draw your attention to confirm this is the correct device you would like to add. If it is the correct device, simply click Add. At this stage, the previously defined zone information is being configured on the device. Simply click Done once completed. On the Test tab, we can test the device on, off. It will also display the sensor information, in this case lux readings and motion. To configure an Enotion switch, we'll go to the Devices tab, click on the drop-down arrow, and then click on the Enotion slider. At this stage, we simply take a picture of the QR code. Now the Enotion switch is configured for on and off. We can also configure the scenes for the Enotion switch. We'll configure Scene A. Use the slider to determine which light level you would like for Scene A, then click Save. You can configure Scene B using the same method. Now this zone is configured for occupancy with daylight harvesting and an Enotion switch. You can customize the occupancy and daylight harvesting setting by clicking on the Customize button. Here you can configure the runtime mode, duration, and target light levels, the prolong mode, duration, and target light levels, and the standby mode, target light levels, as well as any fade settings. Once you're done configuring the settings, simply press Apply Custom Settings. Office 304 is configured per the settings we applied. Going back to our web app, if we refresh the page, we can see that Office 304 has been properly provisioned. This concludes this training video. For more videos about the eliteBlue commissioning tools, please visit fulham.com/videos/eliteBlue.